Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm using these sport length stiletto tips that I found on Amazon. I've not done the shape before, so I really wanted to try it out. After you have prepped your nails and dehydrated them, you're going to go in with a protein bond or a primer. You're going to do this to all of your nails. I'll be using a few different brands today. Not Polished, OMG Glitter and Nightcap, which is such a gorgeous color. I love these glitters. Also Glam and Glits Sepia. This is the lightest nude color that I have. And then I had a girl, Candace, reach out to me on Instagram to give my honest review on some of their products. Candy Coated Acrylics, she sent me that really pretty yellow, and then also a sample of their monomer, the Nail Tribe, or from the Nail Tribe. I'm going to be doing a glitter nude ombre using this pink glitter in the tips of all the nails. Then I'm going to be taking that nude color and applying it in the cuticle up. I noticed this monomer worked really well with the first glitter that I used, or with the first acrylic. I didn't notice it being super runny or anything like that. I'm not a pro by any means when it comes to applying acrylics, so I mean, you could take my opinion with a grain of salt. But I also noticed that it didn't really have a super strong smell. A lot of like bigger brand companies, they can't really get away from the smell of the acrylic. It's very, very strong. But this is supposed to be a super low odor monomer, and I didn't notice it bothering me or giving me a headache. I also didn't notice like anybody in my household like really complaining about it. I just had like my fan on and the window open, and it wasn't a big deal at all. With the second acrylic that I used from Glam and Glits, I did notice it to be a bit runnier. I even tried wiping it off on the towel before I like applied it to my nail. I don't know if it's just this brand. I have used it before and I can't remember if it was super runny because I've used it with other monomers. But like I said, I didn't have a problem using it with the glitter, and I really didn't have a problem using it with the acrylic that she sent me. So maybe it was just this brand in particular that it didn't work well with. I repeat this process on all of my nails. This is how we're looking. I'm now going to take my e-file and do some filing, smooth everything out, also clean up the sides, get the cuticles, and then we're going to be doing our design. I didn't realize until I was jumping into bed that this was a glow-in-the-dark acrylic. It is very bright, very vibrant. I didn't get any pictures because it was a little too late by then, but I'm going in with my design here, and I decided to do a butterfly. I attempted to do flowers, and for some reason it just wasn't coming out right at all. So that's probably why you see me doing my non-dominant hand here, which ended up turning out way better than my other hand. So weird, but anyway, just going back and forth, really trying to get that shape. Once you set the little ball of acrylic onto the nail, you want to let it sit for a second. Let it cure just for, like I said, a second before you start molding it into shape. If you do it too soon, you're just going to smash it into the finger, and then it's going to start drying up. It's not going to really look like anything. So just going back and forth, really trying to get those grooves and divots in there. And I was like sweating at this point, and so I was very surprised with how it turned out when I was done, that it looked like a butterfly. Taking my Macart rhinestone gel glue, just applying it to the center. I'm going to put a couple little rhinestones in there to really make it pop and look super cute. Going in with my Madame Glam No Wipe Top Coat. just around the butterfly. I didn't want to actually get the top coat on the butterfly, but I wanted all of the nails to be shiny and then the butterfly to be matte. Before I get to today's finished look, there is one other company, small business that I wanted to talk about. Resinae Artist, and she does super cute nail props. This one I purchased myself, but she was so kind enough to send me 2 free ones, and it's this beach looking one, and then she also sent me this really pretty blue heart with silver sparkles in it. I really love these. I think they're so freaking adorable, and they can just really enhance any look, any photo, and just kind of make your nails pop. So if you're interested in any of the companies that I mentioned today, I will put their Instagram handles down in my description box below. This concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this take on a video, and supporting small businesses is something that I like to do, so I'm hoping that I can kind of turn this into a series. But I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!